The role of AI in transportation. Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the transportation sector by making travel safer, faster, and more efficient. AI-powered systems help manage traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve road safety through real-time monitoring and predictive analysis. Self-driving vehicles use AI to detect obstacles, follow traffic rules, and make driving decisions. In public transportation, AI helps optimize routes, schedules, and fuel consumption, improving service quality and reducing costs. AI is also used in logistics and delivery services to track shipments, plan efficient routes, and ensure timely deliveries. Additionally, AI supports smart parking systems and vehicle maintenance by predicting potential mechanical issues before they occur. As technology continues to advance, AI will play an even greater role in creating safer, smarter, and more sustainable transportation systems.